So, yun nga, pumatak na yung araw. And guess what? Nasaan tayo ngayon? Tadaan! Nasa grotto. And sobrang lakas ng hangin. Pero ang ganda ng view. Grabe. Wala akong masabi. Hindi, grabe. But, sa opposite side, yun na nga, yung quarry side. And this is what it looks like right now. It's not look good. Yun. Malapit na siya dito sa grotto. It's like less than 20 meters away. And may guard dun sa baba. Grabe. It's just disheartening to look at. Hindi lang makapagpalipad ng drone because sobrang lakas ng hangin. But I wanted to show how it looks like from above. But I can't risk my drone flying away. Kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. Humuhuli. I don't know if you can hear it, but sobrang lakas ng hangin. But the view is amazing. You can see the West Philippine Sea from here, and you're looking at Corregidor Island, Batangas, and that small island in front center is Mongha Island. It's so tiny, you can't see it from this camera.